Memo akwaba. And then you be fast fast hair growth oil for babies. So we new channel is so be show Christ or be subscribe. No me notification bell so the the video be at sabeka. So I subscribe that and so yeah that was it. One subscribe here and you near subscribe in a handy ubisuya near my baby. So we fast hair growth oil for babies and near my be here. Coconut oil, olive oil, almond, orange, lavender, tea tree. It's near my day baby oil, fast hair growth, baby hair growth oil. Any major measurements in our description box. So we fast hair growth oil for babies what the coconut oil and I say olive oil, any of the carrier oil service we use with made soup. Now, do our be found for just 1% of essential oil. They're very good for hair. Now they are mixing. Wash the kid. Naja, what do I do? Where we wear oil for babies. Yes, I say.
Mesro, so we call training be na pen drive via the mouth. And I'm video you was on a washer. And then many or mona a year ejuma. And to say we no one problem biana for all. So we be training in swap. For number name was screen as roll. So we pay any money being so soon after. For number na a good screen the formula. Meda said.
Essential oils no very concentrated. It will farm an approach a bit mere hakola no percentage I was say we'll keep within 1% and I say even 0.5% of carrier oil now will be useful.
When you have video you so when you have video you what here and you met to me say Rebecca me WhatsApp group ne ho na yensua de na nya intremu ye de obeya ni se obehua 100 cedis na me de waka ho na ya kyerɛ ekwan a odi beye business obe register obe market and obe brand major link no e wo description box follow link no na fa join the WhatsApp group no. Mesro, so we call training be na pen drive via the mouth. And na me video you was on a washer. And then many or mona a year ejuma. And since we no one problem biana for all. So we be training in swap. For number name screen as roll. So we pay any money being so soon after. For number na a good screen the formula. Meda said.
Why when you fast hair growth oil for babies and kola it is on subscribe I said in the was we say you when you subscribe said the video be at to have on sabeka after so we need the video who like video no let's share video in my for yeah that was so share video be share that